speech.
Assalamualaikum and good evening to all. I, Rotary Arshad Afsad of the 45th President of Rotary Club of New College for the Rotary year 2021.
Thank you so much, Rotractor President Arshad. So next, I request Rotractor Arshad to introduce his board members. So first, I would like to start from the secretary. So I request Rotractor Arshad Dhamma to introduce his secretary.
I am happy to introduce my secretary for the Rotary year 2021, Rotary Suhaib Mohammad Suhaib. I request the editor team to launch the video. Thank you.
Thank you so much for giving this wonderful secretary also for this upcoming year. So followed by, I request the video presentation of new office bearers by the president.
I request to host to share the screen.
Hey, அடுத்தடா
Thank you so much for giving this wonderful OB barrels, office barrels for the upcoming year. So, video how they are going to rock the year. So, wish you all the very best, guys. So, next, I request Road Tractor Tarun to exchange the club charter for the incoming secretary, Road Tractor Suhaib. thank you so much. It's not only about, so it's like a pride. So one of the oldest clubs, so மிக ரொம்ப பழமையான club, so அதோட பொக்கிஷம் எங்களோட கனவு சொத்துனே சொல்லலாம் அது. So next, followed by request Chief Sergeant at Arms to exchange his Sergeant Arm band for the incoming Sergeant at Arms Yoga Priyan. I request Road Tractor Noor Ahmed to exchange his Sergeant at Arms band for the incoming Sergeant at Arms Road Tractor Yoga Priyan. ஆளை பார்க்கும்போதே தெரியுது அடிச்சு போட்டுருவாப்ல. So it was very nice to see him. So next, I request our honorable principal of Road Track Club of New College to launch the logo of 45th year. I request all the dignitaries to join. Can everyone give you a big round of applause, everyone? Thank you so much for launching this wonderful year logo. So it was very awesome to see that. And next, I request our pillar of support, Dr. J. Suleiman, Sir, Faculty Coordinator, to launch our club banner and standee for the year 45th year of Rotary Club of New College. I request all the dignitaries to please join the Thank you so much, sir. So followed by a request, Dr. J. Suleiman, sir, Faculty Coordinator, to distribute the ID card and label pens for the incoming board members for the year 45th year of Rotary Club of New College.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, the chief guest of this 45th installation ceremony of Rotary Club of New College, headed by Rotractor R. Arshad Ahmed, the Secretary Rotractor Muhammad Suhaib Madar, Rotarian Kapil Chitale, President Rotary Club of Madras, our beloved and respected Principal of the New College, Dr. S. Bashir Ahmed, the guest of honor, Rotarian Parkavi Mahalingam Madam, Rotary Chairman, Rotary Club of Madras, Rotarian Balaji Chinni, Youth Service Director, Rotary Club of Madras, Rotarian Shivakumar Ishwaran, Associate Rotary Chairman, Rotary Club of Madras, the Vice Principals of the New College, Professor S.A. Sheikh Muhammad, Vice Principal Academic, Dr. V. Kamal Nasir, Vice Principal Administration, Controller of Examination, Professor Abdul Latif, my dear friends, Professor M. Ansar and Dr. K. Mujibur Rahman, the office superintendent, Mr. Rasul Moideen, the senior Rotractors of the Rotary Club of New College. Always we are supporting the Rotary Club of New College, Rotractor Rekfai, Rotractor Jawad, and the immediate past President and Secretary, Mr. Rotractor Abdul Khalik, Rotractor Ijaz Ahmed, Rotractor Tarun, Rotractor Noor Muhammad, the incoming office bearers of the Rotary Club of New College. Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to one and all. I'm very happy to be here to welcome all the dignitaries to the 45th installation ceremony of the Rotary Club of New College. And before read out the name of the office bearers and distributing the ID card, I take this opportunity to say a few words about the club. The club was established in the year 1975. This is the first and oldest club in city. Now we are celebrating 45th installation ceremony, and very happy to say that the New College is a not only leading club and also doing so many projects for the past 44 years, headed by different the Rotary President and the Secretaries, Board of Board members. It's a pride moment. Now we are celebrating 45th installation ceremony. This year also, I hope the new team will take a lead to bring so many innovative projects and lead the New College Rotary Club, the best club of the Madras and the Chennai city. I hope that the new president headed by Arshad definitely will take minimum of 45 projects to show the experience of club as 45 years minimum. I request the board member Arshad as well as secretary, you try to do minimum of 45 projects, very successive projects to show our Rotary Club of New College and to do the real service to the community. And also, always the New College is pioneer and to exhibit its services to all the colleges as well as to the community. And as a first project, today also we are going to do the first project, education aid. On behalf of the Rotary Club, the first education aid is sponsored by our beloved principal, Dr. S. Bashir Ahmed Sir, that soon we are going to distribute it to the needy student. And I am very happy to read out the office bearers for the year 2020-21. I request our beloved principal to distribute the ID card as well as lapel pins to all the office bearers. First, I request the president of the club, Rotractor Arshad Ahmed R. Rotractor Arshad Ahmed R, the president for the year 2020-21. I request our beloved principal to distribute the ID card as well as lapel pin. The secretary of the Rotary Club of New College for the Rotractor Muhammad Suhaib Madar. Rotractor Muhammad Suhaib Madar I. Third year BCom. The Vice President Admin, Rotractor Adil Sharif, BA English Literature. Thank you, sir. Now I request our Vice Principal Academic, Professor Sheikh Mohammed sir, to distribute the ID card and label pin to the following office bearers. The Vice President, Event, Protractor Wasim Rafi. Protractor Wasim Rafi. Third year BCom. Then Joint Secretary of the club, Protractor Inzamam T, BSc Physics second year. Inzamam. Thank you, sir. Now I request Vice Principal Administration, Dr. V. Kamal Nasir, sir, to present the ID card and label pin to the following the treasurer of the club for the year 2020-21, Protractor Muhammad Wazilul Ilahi. Sergeant at Arms, Protractor Yoga Priyan. Sergeant at Arms, Protractor Yoga Priyan, BA Sociology. Thank you, sir. I request Controller of Examination, Professor Abdul Latif, sir, to present the ID card and label pin for the following office bearer. Associate Sergeant at Arms, Protractor Ryan Pasha, second BCom. Club Service Director, Protractor Ibrahim S, BSc Plant Biology. Club Service Director, Protractor Ibrahim, BSc Plant Biology. Community Service Director, Protractor Asif Tahir. Community Service Director, Protractor Asif Tahir. I request, thank you, sir. I request Professor Ansar, the Secretary of the 8th Unit of New College, to present the ID card and label pin to the following student. International Service Director, Protractor Muhammad Ismail Ghani. BA History. Associate Protractor, Protractor Syed Salman. Syed Salman. Associate Protractor, Community Service Associate, Protractor Syed Salman, BCom third year. Then Professional Service Director, Protractor Ashraf Nizaruddin. Ashraf Nizaruddin of second BCom, shift 2. Thank you, Professor Ansar. Now I request Dr. K. Mujib Rahman to present the ID card to the following members. Associate Professional Service Director, Protractor Parvez Muhammad Yan, BA Sociology second year. Parvez Muhammad of second BA Sociology. Finance Service Director, Protractor Azim Shah. Finance Service Director, Protractor Azim Shah of third BCom, shift 1. Thank you, Dr. K. Mujib Rahman. I request the immediate past president, Protractor Abdul Khalik, to present the ID card to the following student. Public Relation Officer, Protractor Afan Ahmed. Afan Ahmed of second BCom shift 2. Editorial board member Protractor Munaf and Protractor Muhammad Mira Sahib. Muhammad Mira Sahib. Thank you, Abdul Khalid. Already I told you, respected dignitaries of the Parents Club, Rotary Club of Madras, and the New College faculties, officials, and this is the first project of the Rotary Club of New College, providing education aid to the needy student. The amount of rupees 9,600, which has been sponsored by our beloved principal, Dr. S. Bashir Ahmad sir. I request Dr. S. Bashir Ahmad sir to give away the check amount of rupees 9,600 to the school day. I request her father come and collect the check from our principal.
Thank you so much for introducing this wonderful board members, and also I'm happy that I'm to be a part of here. Like we have completed the first project in the installation, so each and every year, Rotary Club of New College or very pride on the day of installation will complete our project the same way. So we are very much happy and we are very proud. So I want everyone to give a round of applause again for sponsoring this. So next, I request our Honorable Principal Dr. S. Bashir Ahmed sir to give the presidential address.
Assalamu alaikum. Good evening to all present here. Most respected Chief Guest, Rotarian Kapil Stali, President Rotary Club of Madras, 45th installation ceremony, Rotarian R. Arshad Ahmed, Honorary Secretary Soheb Madar, the guest of honors, Madam Parkavi, Rotarian Balaji, Rotarian Shiv Kumar, our beloved Vice Principals, Professor S.A. Sheikh Mohammed, Dr. Kamal Nazar, Controller of Examination, Professor A.R. Abdul Latif, Rotary Faculty Coordinator, Dr. J. Sulaiman, Dr. Mujib Rahman, Professor Ansar, and members of this Rotary Club. Indeed, it gives me immense pleasure to be part of this program. The 45th installation, being a member of this Rotary Club, each one of you have some responsibilities. Service to humanity is service to God. Wherever you are, you have to serve the community. I believe only in service. Be good, do good, and think good. These are the three things which I normally have in my mind. And whenever the occasion arises to serve as any individual, I do a little. I should thank each one of you present here in this pandemic situation to be part of this program. And I should also thank Dr. Sulaiman for giving me this opportunity to share some of my views. At the same time, the New College Rotary Club should always strive to do their best for humanity. These few words, I thank one and all. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your wonderful speech, sir. We are really being inspired. So thank you so much for giving the presidential address. So followed by next, I request Mr. M.A. Sheikh Mohammed, Vice Principal Academics, to give the to address the gathering.
Assalamu alaikum and very good evening to one and all present here. Respected chief guests of this installation ceremony, chief guest, Principal Dr. S. Bashir Ahmed, Vice Principal Dr. Kamal Nasser, Controller of Examination, Professor Abdul Latif, faculty members, Dr. Sulaiman, Mujibur Rahman, Ansar, and Office Superintendent, and all the Rotarians who are here, and also people who are watching this installation ceremony on Zoom. Very good evening to one and all. It's indeed a great pleasure. In fact, no, as far as Rotaract is concerned, as mentioned by our staff faculty coordinator, this particular club is the oldest club as far as New College is also concerned, and this has been doing a lot of human service to the community in the past, and now we are in need of more service. When we can do such wonderful things during normal year, now we are facing a new normal, and we need to do more things. I hope and I wish that this new team will do more contribution to the society, which will help us, which will help this institution to get better scores in the ensuing National Assessment and Accreditation visit. So my concern is more with the institution, and we know very well that even in the past, we got a lot of name and fame because of NSS, Rotaract, and YRC. This year also, we would continue to get more support from these clubs, and I wish all the new office bearers a very good time, a successful year. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. So next, I request a Vice Principal Admin, Dr. V. Kamal Nasser, sir, to give the address.
Assalamu alaikum and good evening, one and all present here. Respected Principal of this college, Dr. S. Bashir Ahmed, the respected chief guest of this function, that is 45th installation ceremony of Rotaract Club of New College, Rotarian Kabil Chitale, President Rotaract Club of Madras. The guest of honor of this 45th installation ceremony, Rotarian Bhargavi Mahalingam Madam, Rotaract Chairman, Rotaract Club of Madras, Rotarian Balaji Chinni, Youth Service Director, Rotaract Club of Madras, Rotarian Sivakumar Easwaran, Additional Rotaract Chairman, Rotaract Club of Madras. Respected S.A. Sheikh Mohammed, Vice Principal Academic, respected Controller of Examination, Professor A. Abdul Latif, respected Secretary, New College EEP Unit, Professor M. Ansar, the faculty coordinator, the most popular and the flair of this program, Dr. Sayyid Sulaiman, Dr. K. Mujibur Rahman, special invitees, Rotarian PB Anbarasu, District Rotaract Representative, Rotarian PP Esaki Sekhar, District Rotaract Secretary, Rotarian PP Commonwealth, District Rotaract Representative elect, and the office bearers of 44th Rotaract Club of New College, Abdul Halik, President, Rotarian Ijaz Ahmed, Secretary, and the new office bearers, Rotarian R. Ashram, President, and Muhammad Zuhaib Badar, Honorary Secretary. It is indeed a great pleasure to address this gathering. Before that, I have to mention the students, not students, the Rotarian who have Rotaractor who have attended this function, and those who are in Zoom. On behalf of New College, I welcome and congratulate to those who have participated and those who have attended. See, when we were studied in our college days, we are not having this type of Rotaract club activities, but you are blessed. That too under the guidance of Dr. J. Sulaiman. I think he motivated you, he guided you in a right path, and he showed the way how to do the service to the needy. That too in the pandemic situation, he arranged this installation ceremony in a very big manner. I congratulate all the Rotaractors who helped, who supported, and those who have participated in this 45th installation ceremony. I thank one and all present here. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. V. Kamal Nasir, sir. So next, I request our faculty coordinator, Dr. J. Sulaiman, sir, to address the gathering. Thank you. So next, I call upon our guest of honor, Rotarian Balaji Chini, sir, Youth Service Director, Rotary Club of Madras, to address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you can.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We can hear you, sir.
Yeah,
Please.
yeah. President Arshad, past President Abdul, respected principal, my dear friend coordinator Sulaiman sir, dignitaries from New College, DRR Anbu, district officials, my fellow Rotarians, and all the lovely Rotaractors. A very warm good evening. Very well conducted event, I should say. So with some of them being present there physically and others on the virtual platform, you've done a fantastic integration and really well conducted. Abdul, I know you're a very silent performer. What a way to end this year, Abdul. Amazing projects, always from New College. You ensured it was a packed year with so many activities. You engaged your entire board and the Rotaractors. Made sure you have delivered successful year. Outstanding work, Abdul. Always loved to work with you. Be it our RCM projects or district projects. You make sure your participation is always there. You have the attention that you have given to all the details, fantastic, work delivered. Abdul, congratulations you and your team for delivering a great year. You definitely are a true leader. So continue doing this work, be part of the road track movement. So continue to be part of this road track movement. Abdul, join one of the community community-based clubs. I know you will choose the best one and join. So Arshad, congratulations on becoming the president. You and your team, congratulations. And I don't have any kind of doubt that you will not be able to deliver another outstanding year. Continue to take up more projects, a challenging year for everyone. But let's cross all these hurdles and give our best, take up more projects. We are there to support you in whatever activities you take up. And you will definitely end up to be another great leader from New College. So steer your club on the right direction, right path. Good luck to you and your team members. Sulaiman sir, what can I say? What a man. Road Track Club of New College would have not reached these heights if not for your support and guidance. You are like a train station, Sulaiman sir. Number of trains pass by and you are there just quietly doing your job, receiving passengers and making sure they reach their destinations from where they board and alight. So these passengers are none other than our road tractors, presidents, secretaries. Thank you so much, sir, for guiding these road tractors. As well as supporting RCM for whatever activities we are. You're always there, sir. I can lean on you for any kind of support I need from New College. An unshakable bridge, I would say. So is the management of New College as well. The continuous support every time I visit the college for any road track activities. The hospitality and the care you show is unmatchable. Definitely. So for me, it's like I should say it's like coming home every time. So RCM is 90 plus years old, Rotary Club of Madras, and your club has traveled 50% of our club's age with us. So we are definitely proud to be associated with you. Our sincere thanks to New College management for this continued association. So I'm looking forward to a wonderful year this year again. So we will take up more and more activities together, and we will deliver, as the principal said, to the communities. Whatever possible to the community, we will do our best together. And I'm sure you all will support us in this coming year. So have a wonderful and a safe year ahead to everybody, all road tractors. And thank you for this opportunity.
MC of the day. Why don't you take it up? Yeah.
You're on mute.
We are not able to hear you.
I think you're on mute.
Asif, we are not able to hear.
Right. Can you hear me now, everyone?
Yes, audible.
Yes.
All right. Thank you. There are many technical bugs here. Thank you. Thank you so much, Rotarian Balaji Sini sir. So next, I request Rotarian Parthavi Mahalingam ma'am, Road Chairman from Rotary Club of Madras, to address the gathering. Over to you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you. Happy evening to one and all present here. First to President Kapil, then like Youth Service Director Balaji Chini, Additional Chair Shiv, thank you for being here with us. And like, I mean, the whole academic team from New College, including Sulaiman sir, and along with him, the whole team of academics, including the president of New College, the principal of New College, everybody. I mean, happy evening to one and all present here. So nice for all Rotaractors to be with you and attend the installation ceremony. And New College has stepped in for 45th year. It is so wonderful, as Balaji Chini was mentioning, as RCM traveled 92 years, and the New College has traveled 45 years. It's so nice. So half the year, the journey is being, it's together. The journey is together. It's wonderful and nice that like New College participates in every little project, and Sulaiman sir was promised 45 projects for this year. Oh my God. 45 projects for this year. It is something amazing, and our expectation is huge from Sulaiman sir. And like I'm been a Rotaract chair for about at least six plus years now. All those years, Sulaiman sir was with me, and like the whole 6+ years, it was a beautiful journey. He calls every one of us, to do some projects with, and make sure there is a huge participation from from New College. And like when students participate, it is at least 15-20 students for every project they participate. And it's nice that like New College participates in almost all major RCM projects also in huge numbers, and especially blood donation and all such projects. They do it wonderfully well. And thank you, New College, for everything. And I wish a great year ahead. Like the past, immediate past, there are a lot of Rotaractors. There are a lot of Rotaractors who participated today. Even the MC has been a Rotaractor, past president in Rotaract. So like for all the past presidents of Rotaract who have dropped in today to New College and participating in the New College installation ceremony, it's so nice. And thank you so much, all the Rotaractors. Keep doing the support year on year, and I wish a great year for all of you all. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much, madam. Thank you so much for the speech. And next, I request Rotarian Shivakumar Ishwaran sir, additional Rotaract chairman from Rotary Club of Madras, to address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
President Kapil, Balaji Parkvi, DRR Anbu, Commonwealth, District Secretary Isai Shekhar, President 1999-2000 Abdul, Secretary, Outgoing Secretary Ijaz, President Mr. Arshad, Secretary Mohammed Sahib, Principal of the New College, Dr. Bashir Ahmad sir, Sulaiman sir, faculty coordinator. I'm really happy to, unfortunately we're not there at your New College to witness the live ceremony. I hope we get this opportunity soon to visit New College and be amongst you. Abdul, great job, buddy, as the outgoing president. Excellent projects. One thing I'm really happy about is the publicity which New College has in the media. I think this is one of a kind. Wonderful. Keep it. I think publicity is one thing which will keep us going more visible.
Shiv, we are breaking.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah. Better.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just talking about publicity. I'm really happy to see a wonderful publicity, especially on TV and other medias. This is one thing which will keep us going. Wonderful, guys. I mean, I haven't seen this sort of publicity in other Rotaract clubs. 45-year-old club. Wow, what more to say? The oldest college-based club in the city. I think, kudos to the management to have kept the flame going for the last 45 years. Suleiman sir, my interaction with you, you're a great man. And we had such wonderful talks with each other. Happy to see you back. I'm sure people like you are the people who keep this flame going. Arshad, I've had wonderful interaction with you for the last 1.5 years. I'm sure you'd really do a big difference to this club and take the Rotaract Club of New College to greater heights. Thank you for inviting me. God bless. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for giving this wonderful speech. So next, I request our special invitees. So our college senior, our district Rotaract representative for the year 2021, Rotaract past president Anbarasu, to address the gathering. Rotaract Anbarasan, you're online here. Can you hear me, Anna?
Yeah, I'm audible. Sorry, I'm on mute. Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, DRR, you are audible.
Yeah, thank you so much. Rotary Club of New College, sponsored by Rotary Club of Madras, present 45th installation ceremony. So, dignitaries on the. Sorry?
Spotlight Anbarasu, please.
No, I can't turn on my video. I'm actually driving in a highway right now, so I just opened my car.
All right. Sorry.
So dignitaries on the dais and on the Zoom call. Warm good evening to everyone and Assalamu alaikum. ரொம்ப பெருமையான ஒரு தருணம். படிச்ச ஒரு காலேஜ்ல இருந்து ஒரு டிஆர்ஆரா வந்து அந்த ஒரு ஈவெண்ட்டுக்கு ஸ்பெஷல் இன்வைட்டியா வர்றது ஐம் ரியலி ஹாப்பி. நியூ காலேஜ் பத்தி சொல்லணும்னா என் லைஃப்ல சேஞ்ச் ஓவர் கொடுத்த ஒரு காலேஜ் தான் நான் சொல்லுவேன். எப்பவுமே அது வந்து இன்னைக்கு 45th இன்ஸ்டலேஷன் செரமனி நடத்துறாங்க. இது பழசு எப்பவுமே கிடையாது. என்னைக்குமே இது கல்லூரி என்று சொன்னால் இது கல்லூரி என்று சொல்லும் புது கல்லூரி. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. இதுதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிசிக்கல் இன்ஸ்டலேஷன் ஹேப்பனிங் ஆஃப் அவர் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட். இது வரைக்கும் எந்த இன்ஸ்டாலேஷனுமே பிசிக்கலா நடந்தது இல்லை. அண்ட் பிசிக்கல் அண்ட் ஜூம் மீட்டிங்ல ஒரு இன்ஸ்டாலேஷன்ல லெவல் அப் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு நியூ லெவல் நீங்க எடுத்துட்டு போயிருக்கீங்க. ஹாப்பி டு த கோர் அண்ட் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. நான் இல்லைன்னா நான் நேர்ல வந்து கண்டிப்பா மீட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். பட் ஃபியூச்சர் கண்டிப்பா நேர்ல வர ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் வந்து நான் கண்டிப்பா நாங்க வந்துருவோம். really waiting to meet all my friends. So first of all I need to congratulate the outgoing president for the wonderful year delivered. நிறைய சப்போர்ட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க in terms of minimum project support பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. Thank you so much guys and congratulations to Arshad the president and Mohammad Soeb for the secretary. So best wishes. கண்டிப்பா district Rotary council support எப்பவுமே உங்களுக்கு இருக்கும் and we need your support as well. and faculty coordinator சார் பத்தி கண்டிப்பா சொல்லணும். ஆல்மோஸ்ட் நான் நியூ காலேஜ் படிச்சு முடிச்சு ஆல்மோஸ்ட் 13 years ஆகுது. பட் அந்த 13 years ஆனாலுமே ரோட்டரி கிளப் ஆஃப் நியூ காலேஜ் அப்படின்னு ஒரு வார்த்தை கேட்டா சுலைமான் சார் பேர் மட்டும்தான் எப்பவுமே வரும். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் சார். உங்களோட சப்போர்ட் டுவர்ட்ஸ் திஸ் ரொம்ப பெருமையா இருக்கு சார். உங்க கூட எல்லாம் நாங்க டிராவல் பண்ணிருக்கோம். இன்னைக்கு உங்க கூட டயஸ்ல ஷேர் பண்ண முடியலன்ற ஒரு வருத்தம் இருக்கே தவிர நேர்ல வந்து கண்டிப்பா நான் மீட் பண்றேன் சார். as a past student of நியூ காலேஜ் கண்டிப்பா நான் மீட் பண்றேன். and really miss the auditorium and the atmosphere of நியூ காலேஜ். அது எல்லாமே மிஸ் பண்றேன். and 45 ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் பண்ண சொல்லி சார் சொல்லியிருக்காரு. எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு வேர்ல்ட் ரோட்ராக் வீக்லயே 30+ ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ண ஒரு கிளப் தான் நியூ காலேஜ். 45 ப்ராஜெக்ட்ன்றதெல்லாம் சர்வசாதாரண நியூ காலேஜ் பாய்ஸ்க்கு. ஸோ கண்டிப்பா அதை பெஸ்டா இன்னும் எவ்வளவு பெஸ்ட் ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ண முடியுமோ அதை பண்ணுவாங்க. we have adapted to the new normal. ஸோ அந்த நியூ நார்மல்லையுமே இன்னைக்கு ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் எஜுகேஷன் சம்பந்தமா கான்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. நம்ம ரியலி ஹாப்பி. தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் பிரின்சிபல் சார் for supporting this wonderful moment called Rotaract. Thank you so much. எப்பவுமே நான் எல்லா இன்ஸ்டலேஷன்லயுமே சொல்ற ஒரு விஷயம் இதுதான், லைஃப் இஸ் a race அப்படின்னு எல்லாருமே சொல்றாங்க. பட் I always used to say life is not just a race, life is an hurdle. நம்ம ஒரு ரேஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண உடனே நம்மளுக்கு முன்னாடி நிறைய தடைகள் இருக்கும். அந்த தடைகளை தாண்டி போனால்தான் நம்ம அந்த ரேஸ்ல வின் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ கொரோனான்ற ஒரு பேண்டமிக் சுச்சுவேஷன் நம்ம வந்து நிறைய தடைகள் வச்சாலும் கொரோனா பாசிட்டிவ் அப்படின்ற ஒரு விஷயம் வந்து தப்பா இருக்கும். பட் கொரோனா நம்மளுக்கு கொடுத்த பாசிட்டிவிட்டி அதிகம், நம்மளுக்கு கிடைச்ச நெட்வொர்க்கிங் அதிகம், நம்மளுக்கு பொறுமைன்னா என்னன்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கு. வீட்லயே இருக்க முடியாத இருக்கும்போது வீட்லயே இருந்து வீட்டுல ஃபேமிலியோட இருக்கிறதுக்கான டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ண நிறைய பாசிட்டிவிட்டி நம்மளுக்கு கோவிட் சுச்சுவேஷன் அமைஞ்சிருக்கு. அண்ட் பொல்யூஷனுக்காக நிறைய பொல்யூஷன் எல்லாமே சேஞ்ச் ஆயிருக்கு. ஸோ and we have an opportunity to interact with worldwide. So we have a upcoming assembly, district Rotaract assembly இருக்கு. So in the assembly virtual நடக்கிறதுனால we are bringing up RI president for this assembly. So in the pandemic situation we are converting into opportunities, as Rotary theme says, Rotary opens opportunities. அந்த opportunities வந்து வெறும் ஒரு கதவு இல்ல 3 கதவுகள் கொண்டது. ஸோ அந்த எல்லா கதவுலையுமே நிறைய ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் கொட்டி கிடக்கு. அதுல இருக்க ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸை கிராப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. லைஃப்ல கண்டிப்பா எல்லாருமே பெரிய ஆளா வரலாம். அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டியை நான் நியூ காலேஜ்ல இருந்து கிராப் பண்ணதுனாலதான் இன்னைக்கு நான் ஒரு டிஜேவா இருக்கேன். ஏன்னா நியூ காலேஜ்ல என் கூட படிச்ச ஒரு ஃப்ரெண்டு தான் டிஜே எனக்கு சொல்லி கொடுத்தாரு. அண்ட் ரோட்ராக்ல எனக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ண எல்லா நியூ காலேஜ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்குமே ஐ நீட் டு தேங்க் இன் திஸ் அக்கேஷன். ஏன்னா என்ன வளர்த்து விட்ட ஒரு காலேஜ், இன்னைக்கு நான் வளர்ந்து அந்த காலேஜுக்கு நான் ஒரு ஸ்பெஷல் கெஸ்டா வரும்போது எனக்கு ரொம்பவே பெருமையா இருக்கு. தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் டு ஆல் த நியூ காலேஜ் அலுமினிஸ் அண்ட் ஆல் த கிளாஸ்மேட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆல் த ரோட்ராக்டர்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் நியூ காலேஜ். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். Enjoy your responsibility in Rotaract. You guys will enjoy Rotaract. As Rotary opens opportunity, it's time to lead. My best wishes to the incoming team and congratulations to the outgoing team. It's time to lead. Endrum Anbudan Ungal DRR. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotaractor PP Anbarasu. The DRR, very happy to hear your voice, and we are very much proud about Rotaractor PP Anbarasu to becoming the DRR of the Rotaract Club. புதுக்கல்லூரி மாணவர்கள் வந்து என்னைக்குமே வந்து புதுமை படைக்கக்கூடியவர்கள். அந்த வகையில எத்தனையோ டிஆர்ஆர்கள் வந்து புதுக்கல்லூரியில வந்திருக்காங்க. இன்று ரோட்ராக்டர் அன்பரசு அவர்களும் டிஆர்ஆரா வந்திருக்கீங்க. நம்மளுடைய கிளப்ல 45 ஆண்டு கால இந்த கிளப்ல 15 வருடமா இந்த கிளப்ல நான் வந்து 2004 இருந்து 16வது வருடம் இது ஒரு பார்ட்டா நான் இதுல இருந்துட்டு இருக்கேன். கடந்த 15 வருடங்களாக எத்தனையோ மாணவர்கள் இந்த புதுக்கல்லூரியிலிருந்து ரோட்ராக்ட் கிளப்ல இருந்து டிஆர்ஆர்களாக இருந்திருக்கிறார்கள். அவர்களுடைய வரிசையிலே நீங்களும் இப்போது இந்த அருமையான ஒரு வாய்ப்பு உங்களுக்கு கிடைத்துள்ளது. உங்களுடைய தலைமையிலே பல்வேறு கல்லூரி மாணவர்கள் திறம்பட செயல்பட எனது வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டு இந்த 45வது ஆண்டு துவக்க விழாவிலே கலந்து கொண்டதற்கு நன்றி. I forgot to invite the two people. One is Rotaractor PP Anbarasu DRR and Rotaractor PP Isaki Segar, the District Rotaract Secretary. On behalf of the management, principal, staff and the Rotaractor of New College, I welcome the special invitees Rotaractor Anbarasu and Rotaractor Isaki Segar for this wonderful gathering. Also, I take this opportunity to welcome Professor Dr. Syed Zakir Razvi, the NSS Program Officer of our college. And one more information, really I miss the Parents Club President, Rotarian Kapil Sir, and the Rotary Club of Madras, Rotaract Chairman, Youth Service Director, the additional associate Rotaract Chairman to our college. Actually, it is, I thought of having a very big program in our college to celebrate the 45th installation ceremony, and inshallah definitely we will meet in some other occasion with a very good, very innovative and very big projects. We are all eagerly waiting to see you, sir, madam, and thank you very much for participating in this 45th installation ceremony. Also, I take this opportunity to thank all the faculty faculty coordinators from the other college, and Rotractor from other colleges. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your wonderful speech. So, I request today's chief guest, Rotarian Kapil sir, President, Rotary Club of Madras, to address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum and good evening to all of you at the Rotary Club of New College. My apologies at the outset for not being able to join you this evening physically, as we are a little of the older generation, as you can all see, and are trying to be as cautious as we can. And we've been declining to come to each of the Rotary clubs, and I didn't want to make this an exception, as it would offend a lot of the others that we have not attended so far. But having said that, President Arshad Ahmad, the 45th president of this very esteemed club, very successful club, immediate past President Abdul, Principal Bashir Sahab, Vice Principals of New College, the Controller of Exam, Professor Suleiman Ji. I have not had the pleasure of meeting you, but I'm sure I will very soon. As soon as we can, I will come by the college. Other college officials that I see on the dais, DRRs of the Rotary world, Balaji, Chini, Parkavi, and Shiv, and all the members of this very nice, very great club. I think immediate past President Abdul has had a wonderful year. He has shown what he's been capable of, and kudos to all of you who were in his team to make it a very successful year. It's been amazing, I'm sure. I saw the presentation. I was a little flummoxed to see the scribbling on it, and I thought that was part of the presentation until you fortunately stopped and got it cleared. President Arshad, taking on a responsibility, especially at this particular time that we all face, is a tremendous challenge, and it's also a tremendous opportunity, as the DRR said. It is only at times like this where you find that in diversity, you actually have enough that you can come up with a lot of creative thinking. And I'm sure you young men over there are very creative and very enterprising, and you will come up with something that is truly remarkable. 45 projects or so from what I heard Parkavi say, amazing. I would certainly like to come there as soon as I can and share an opportunity to meet with all of you. We at Rotary this year, at the Rotary Club of Madras, have embarked on a project that is related to COVID relief as well as to the environment. I would urge each and every one of you, in case you have interest in those areas, please reach out to Balaji and group and see how we can work together. A club like yours that has shared half the journey that the Rotary Club of Madras has actually had. We are on our 92nd year this year, and you've been there 45 years of that. So we should get far more involved. I would like to see that, because I've been a little not as involved as Balaji has, and he has experienced you guys firsthand. Especially at a time like this now, please don't think of why something cannot be done. Use your innovative minds and find a way how to get it done. I'm sure you will. And all the very best to all of you. Your management in your college has been so supportive, and hats off to all of you, sirs. Thank you very much, and look forward to meeting you very soon. God bless, and please stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your wonderful speech, sir. So next, I would like to call our new secretary, Suhaib, to give the vote of thanks.
Good evening and Assalamu alaikum to one and all. Respected Chief Guest, Rotarian Kapil Chitale, President of Rotary Club of Madras, and Guest of Honor, Rotarian Balaji Chinni, Youth Service Director, Rotary Club of Madras, Rotarian Parthavi Mahalingam, Rotaract Chairman, Rotary Club of Madras, Rotarian Shivkumar Iswaran, Additional Rotaract Chairman, Rotary Club of Madras, special invitees, Rotaractor PP Anbarasu, District Rotaract Representative, Rotaractor PP S.K. Sekar, District Rotaract Secretary, and finally our faculty coordinator, Dr. J. Suleiman. Thank you for all who attended, who accepted and attended our 45th installation ceremony of Rotary Club of New College. I also wish to thank our President Rotaractor R. Arshad Ahmed and all the board members who have participated here. Not only in virtually, board members have participated here physically. So thank you all who have participated. Thank you.
Thank you very much to all of you, particularly the MC of this 45th installation ceremony, Rotaractor PP Muhammad Rekfai, for having given a wonderful MC of the 45th installation. Also, I take this opportunity to thank the past president of the Rotary Club of New College, Rotaractor Jawad, and our special thanks to Vice Principal Academic Professor Sheikh Mohammed Sir, for having attended the 45th installation ceremony, the full program, and my dear friends, Professor Ansar, Professor Mujib Rahman, Professor Azvi, and all the Rotarians. Really, we are missing you in our campus. Charles, Madam, definitely we plan to have a very big program in our college campus under your guidance, with your presence, and we will do it after this pandemic situation. And last but not least, without you, I cannot do anything. The board members and my dear Rotaractors, past Rotaractor and present Rotaractor, all the credit goes to you, and I know that how much of effort put by you to making this 45th installation ceremony. My big salute and thanks to all the Rotaractors, board members, for made this program as a grand success. Thank you one and all. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening.
Right, I request all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, and also the visual participant, please be silent and stand up for the national anthem.
Jana Mana Adinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidada, Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Banga, Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga, Uchala Dala Sisaranga, Dava Subhana Me Jahe, Dava Subhasisha Mahe, Jahe Dava Sayabada, Janagana Mangala Nayaka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidada, Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya 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 He.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I request the President, Rotaractor Arshad, to adjourn the meeting.
45th installation ceremony called to adjourn.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your wonderful presence here. Thank you so much. I request all the board members to. Can, I'm sorry, dignitaries. Can you please help me with the group photos? என்னடா கேக்குறீங்க நீங்க தான் சொல்லணும்